toughest part is really walking from there all the way down here. My thighs are gonna feel it tomorrow. So you gotta start walking from there all the way to the starting line. And then we went on Kamikaze, Hail Mary, Tearjerker, and this is Fast Freddy. Alright. Should I get one of my face or just of going down?
I don't know.
I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'll go with it. Bye! Oh god. This is impossible! Oh god, it's so sticky! Oh god. That was like impossible to catch. Oh man. So there's definitely a reason why you have to go belly first, or you'd just be going way too fast. Right, babe?
Yeah, no, that's true.
So if you're not wearing really thick pants, don't put your bottom near the ice because it will hurt you. This is really cool though. It just lifts you like that. It's quite a long journey going up. So once it gets to the top there, it'll just automatically unclip you. Ooh, like that. So the Seymour 2 park is normally I think $25 for 2 hours per person, which means it's $50 for 2 people. But because we came with only an hour left, we actually got a discount. If you're only planning on TP for an hour, I would recommend coming around 3 and then you get the discount. Usually when it's raining down there, it's snowing up here as it is right now. It's super fun. There's 4 slides all together. It's good for all ages, so if you think it's just kids coming up, it's not. There's people like me too. I think we're gonna do our last run and that's about it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and join me on my next adventure. See you next video. Bye! I did it!